Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USD CAD, US dollar, Canadian dollar. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis, and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So this is the chart of USD CAD. Okay, and as you can see, I'm in the 4 hours time frame. And if we just look at the chart, then we can easily see that market is under heavy selling pressure. Market is very bearish. Okay, and there is no doubt about it. Okay, and if you can see, then after this huge downtrend, okay, right now if we just concentrate on this particular portion, then you can see that after this heavy downtrend, right now market is in a range. And if you have watched my previous videos on USD CAD, then I have already explained the reason behind this sideways range. Because the overall market is in downtrend, okay, but when we switch to the weekly time frame, okay, we get to see that market has got a support at this particular price level. Okay, market has got support at this price level, and this support level belongs to the year 2017, and right now we are in the year 2021. So this support from 2017 is still valid and providing the support to the market. And if you're thinking that why the support from 2017 is still valid, then this resistance from 2016, you can see that, okay, is still a valid one. Okay, this resistance from the 2016 is still providing resistance to the market, and as a result, when market went up in the year 2020, it faced resistance and came down, and still the downtrend is on. Okay, as a result, this support is still valid. Okay, and this is the reason right now, after this huge downfall or huge downtrend since 2020, market is right now trying to recover, trying to gain some strength. Okay, so right now bulls are trying to push the price upward. As a result, we are seeing some sideways range in the USD CAD. So in my previous videos, I was telling you that to to go for a proper trade on USD CAD, we must keep our eyes on two levels. Okay, and those levels are, first level is this level, this is the support, and this is the resistance. Okay, so until and unless market crosses this particular level, okay, 2030 on the downside, we cannot short the market, because I have already shown you market is in downtrend since last 1 year, but this level is providing support to the market. This is the level that is trying to push the price upward. As a result, this level is extremely crucial for the market, so we cannot short the market until and unless market crosses this particular level. On the other hand, to get the confirmation that yes, downtrend is over and this is a reversal time, okay, for the confirmation, market must cross this level on the upside. Then only we should go for buy order. Okay, I have already mentioned these things in my previous videos. So what should be a strategy for today? Because see, right now, okay, still we have got some window here. Okay, still we have got some window here. And if you have watched my community post on YouTube today, then I told you that we have an opportunity to short the market here. To be very honest, I'm a scalper. Okay, I'm a scalper, so I already shorted USD CAD at 2020 2121 1.2121 and already came out by 2110. Okay, I came out here. I'm a scalper, so I came out. But if you're looking for a fresh opportunity and see, then you can short the market here, but you need to wait for some time, because see, right now market is in a range. Okay, and we can see that this is a resistance for the market. Okay, right now market uh, is getting resistance from this particular level. Okay, you can see this can, you can just look at this candle, 1 2 3 4, just look at the previous 5 candles. If you look at the previous 5 candles, if you also include this candle, then we can easily see that then market is getting clean resistance, market is getting heavy resistance from this particular level for the last 20 hours. Okay, for the last 20 hours market is getting resistance. Therefore, there is a good amount of possibility that market will go down from this particular price level. But you can see that there is no volume here. There is not much volume here, which means that still we cannot be too sure that market will go down. Okay, market will go. We cannot be too sure. And on the other hand, if we look at the currency meter, okay, this is the currency meter, and you can see that this is the daily currency meter. Then we can see that this is the USD chart, and this is the Canadian. Okay, so we can see that on the currency meter also, USD is very strong and Canadian dollar is very strong. Therefore, USD is very strong. Therefore, it is not going down. As a result, though it is struggling in the resistance for the last 20 hours, still USD is not ready to go down that easily because the currency pair is very strong here. Okay. Therefore, still market is trying to go up, and this is the reason still market is having no volume, selling volume here. Therefore, what we should do right now, you can do one thing. You can wait for some time and just wait for 1 or 2 candles and see how the price reacts at the resistance level. If you see that after a couple of hours, market gives you the confirmation in the form of a price rejection from above like this, or a shooting star pattern, or if you see that there is selling pressure with good amount of volume like this, like these candles, then you can short the market. Okay, you can short the market here, but keep in mind that your stop loss will be very tight. Just keep your stop loss above this line. Okay, just keep your stop loss above this line. Okay, keep your stop loss very tight around 1.2130. You can keep your stop loss this, or you can keep your stop loss as 2140. Keep your stop loss very tight and you can short the market, but not now. I have already explained, though market is standing at a resistance, but there is no selling volume right now, and USD is also very strong, and Canadian dollar is also very strong. So everything is very strong right now. As a result, market is not ready to go down, though still it is standing at a resistance. Okay, so wait for some time, wait for a couple of hours and just see how the price does. If you see some good selling pressure, okay, after some time, then you can short the market, because otherwise things are good. Okay, so this is it. Hopefully you have understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you tomorrow with the analysis for the coming week.